do. So I'll teach you a better way to do it. Just write the command MLINE, which is many times overlooked in the on this software. And after that you have to select the option right below over here, which is scale, and then you have to specify the distance that you want of the two parallel line, let's say 600. Then this command will make two parallel lines perfectly parallel to each other, and as specified by you, it will be on 600 distance. Let's, if you want to check, then we'll just draw a dim line right over here, and then this, as you can see over here, it is perfectly 600 in the spacing between them. So this is the best way and the fastest way to do parallel lines in AutoCAD. So thank you for watching, and share it with someone who may need it. Thank you.